Here's a quick DIY for y'all if you're looking to switch up your phone cases, and we're jumping right into it. I'm painting lemons because I love the contrast of yellow against my pinkish phone. Now the trick is to sort of paint backwards like you're making pancake art. The finest details are painted first, then layer over with shading colors, and then fill it all in with your background color. So I painted the segments with a darker orange and outlined the pith with a white, and then filled it in with the yellow. I'm using acrylic and it's very forgiving and easy to lightly scratch off with your nails. Sometimes when you can't work backwards on the case, you gotta stick it directly on the phone. These stickers are from Take Good Care, one of my favorite online Korean skincare stores, and every purchase comes with stickers. Okay, so no biggie, right? Stickers, whatever. But wait, holy shit, what is that? What are those squishies? Oh my god! I ordered a lot of these off AliExpress and actually waited the 2 months for them to arrive, and now my life will never be the same. Okay, so this one I had Stefan print off my Girl Wow logo at his office, much to his duress, and very carefully cut it out. Then with Mod Podge, carefully glue it down, or with any clear glue. So my mistake was that I didn't seal the edges with enough glue, so I'm warning you now, really lay it on thick. Then with the spray paint, I sprayed the inside of the case as well as my old pop socket. So the problem is that the force of the spray paint kind of lifted the edges and bled through. I wanted a very clean graphic case with my logo, and I'll probably redo this one so it doesn't look like I DIY'd it with my eyes closed. On that note, I really hope you can give the Girl Wow podcast a listen, and if you can leave a review, that'd be much appreciated. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please subscribe to this channel, and you can find me on Instagram and all social channels at Letitia Q.